Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can capitalize on Master Resale Rights now. My name is Michelle Spark, and in this video, I'm excited to show you how you can capitalize on Master Resale Rights and make some extra money from home. Are you tired of working 9 to 5 and you're ready to retire and you want to explore new ways to make money online? If yes, then this program is for you. In this video, I will walk you through the benefits of the program, how it works, and how you can start making money online with Master Resell Rights. So here are some of the benefits of the program. You're going to learn how to leverage the power of Master Resell Rights to create passive income streams. You're going to discover how to find profitable products to sell online. You're going to get access to a step-by-step guide on how to set up your online business with Master Resell Rights. You're going to learn how to market your products and reach a wider audience to maximize your profits. So this is new, guys. The business model has been around for a while, but the way that we are doing this now is going to change the game. So what we have here is we have a digital marketing training course that will allow you to learn how to set up your own business online step by step, click by click. So I want to show you on the platform here. This is called the school platform. It's a kind of like a social media, but without the social media. You have no distractions from social media, but you have a community of people that gather, that help train, support, mentor, and have accountability to each other. It's actually a great community. So I kind of wanted to take you inside of the Learn and Earn Profits online classroom, and it's all right here inside of this platform. So up at the top, you have your tabs, and we're going to go ahead and click on the classroom tab, and I'm going to show you all the goodness that is inside of Learn and Earn Profits online. So first and foremost, you're going to click where do you start, and you're going to start going through the modules, and as you go through them, you can click mark as done so you know where you've left off. Go back to the classroom and you go to the next one. The next module is Introduction to Digital Marketing. You're going to get to set up the foundation of your business. And that's, as we know, the most important. You want to make sure you have your mission statement, the vision, your branding, things like that. This is an all-in-one course that's going to show you how to get everything set up step by step. We go back and we can see the third module, setting up System IO. Now we know when people get started with an online business, they don't want to spend a ton of money trying to make money. So we've made it as cost effective as possible. System IO is a free funnel builder and email autoresponder in one. And we take you through step by step how to get your entire sales process set up. So as you can see, you start with picking a business name, making a logo, and then getting your System IO set up. And as you can see, it walks you through everything step by step. So you have your entire sales process set up. You've got troubleshooting. And if you wanted to do a sales process for physical products, that's in there too. Then we have optimizing your sales process. We're adding so that you can add other payment options. So you can take monthly payments. You still get the full amount. The customer pays the other vendor the monthly payments. You can create discount codes, how to use Calendly, things like that. We go through everything. Then we go through email marketing. As you know, having an email list is super important to a business owner because that is actually your business. So step by step, how to get your email set up, how to send out newsletters, how to create one. Again, everything is set up for you. I'm sorry, not set up for you, but everything is step by step for you. Then we go on to branding expansion. If you want to go ahead and brand yourself and you're ready to actually branch out and brand yourself and have your own course, we take you through the branding process. Then we've got content strategy. As you know, you can build it, but if nobody knows it's there, they won't come. So you have to have a good content strategy. You've got the why, the what, the how. You've got 1-minute content tips, and you've got a content calendar so you can plan your content. Then we have platforms to market on. We've got Facebook, all the way down to Facebook groups. We got Facebook business pages. We've got Craigslist. Yes, it's not dead. And we have some TikTok. We will be adding Pinterest and Instagram in here as well. So then we've got your business tools. There's lots of tools that we all use in our business, and we go ahead and share those with you here in this module. Then we have the Master Resell Rights details. And this guys, this is the gold right here. This is the gold. So what this means is you can take this entire course that you see here, right here. You can download all of these videos to your own device, and you can upload them to a platform of your choice and brand them as if they're your videos, as if it's your course. You can add to it, but you cannot change the videos here in any way. You can't chop them up, take pieces out. You can't do that. You got to use them. So the distribution rights to this product are right here. These are the things that you can and cannot do. It can be sold. You can sell resale rights or master resale rights. You can add the product into your product bundle or package and sell for a higher price. So you can add anything that you know to it and charge more. You can add it to a paid membership site. You cannot give it away for free. You cannot offer the product as a bonus to another product you're selling, but you can offer other bonuses to this product when selling. You cannot sell it on an auction site like eBay, and you cannot sell it on a dime sale event under any circumstances. And the videos cannot be modified in any way. Video training can be uploaded on other hosts. However, they cannot be modified. So those are your distribution rights. You've got your terms, conditions. So this is kind of like all the legal stuff here. So you do get a master resale rights certificate to show that you actually have the master resale rights to sell the product. And again, you can sell the master resale rights to your customers. So basically, what master resale rights means is you purchase the digital product one time and you can sell it over and over and over again and keep 100% of the profit. All right. So if you want to learn digital marketing, you want to start your own business, this is the place to be. Okay. You can build your own sales process. You can promote this course, bring people into this community, and keep 100% of the profit. They get to come into the community. They get to be nurtured. They get to be trained, coached, ask any questions. As you can see, you can book a one-on-one call. Those are free. We have 100% no upsells here inside the community or course. We pride ourselves on that. No upsells at all. And it's actually an all-in-one. You've got the community and you've got the classroom. Okay. You also get a calendar. So any events will be placed here on the calendar. So you'll see any events that take place inside of the community. There will be additional trainings that are done here on the calendar, and any of the recorded Zoom calls will be placed here so that you can watch the replay if you're not able to get to them live. Now, as we go on, I will be adding additional training modules here, and any modules that are put in here, you also have access to download those as well. So again, very lucrative business model. It's a all-in-one digital marketing training course that'll help you get your business started, set up from beginning to end, step by step, click by click, and you're given master resale rights so that you can promote the course, brand it as your own, and promote it and sell it for 100% profits. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment below this video. If you like this video, if you have anything at all, just go ahead and comment. The link to join Learn and Earn Profits Online will be listed below this video. Come on in. It's a one-time payment of $497, one-time payment, lifetime access, and you can actually pay in payments if you need to. So if you have any questions, drop them below. Can't wait to hear from you guys. Have a great night.